Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to live stream pre-recorded video on YouTube. Firstly, what you need to do is you need to open this OBS Studio, and after that you need to click onto this plus icon under the sources here, and from here you need to select the media source. Over here select this media source, and after that you need to browse through it. You can simply create or add new here, and after that select this browse, and you need to locate and select your pre-recorded video file from your computer, and simply click onto this video file, and after that select OK. And you can also resize the video in the preview window as needed to configure your YouTube live stream. And next is you need to go to your YouTube, and from here you need to click onto this create here and select go live under here. And you need to locate here under the stream here, and you need to click copy to paste your stream key, connect OBS to YouTube, and go back to OBS Studio and go to the setting here. And from here click onto the stream, select to the service here, and you need to select to this YouTube. And over here, you need to locate to this stream key here, and you need to simply copy paste your stream key and connect your OBS to YouTube. And after that, you need to return to your YouTube Live Studio dashboard to confirm that the stream is successfully playing. And that is it. This is how you can live stream pre-recorded video on YouTube. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.